Okay, this is my problem. We've got, and it's not very old either, Moen shower valve. It goes up to, we wanted the wand to give the dog a bath. So it's not one of the ones that hooks up to this, it's actually plumbed in. So, leaky. Don't like that. I'm going to take it apart and try and fix it. Alright, here is the repair kit I found at Fleet Farm. Amazed I found anything there with COVID. Seems like everybody buys everything from there. But yeah, 12 bucks. It looks like it's fairly simple. We'll see. We got to take that one out first. I'll get it all set up and take it out. Alright, first thing we want to do is shut the water off to the house. Open this up. Drain that out. And I'd recommend putting the plug down. So in case you drop anything, you lay a towel over it or something. Alright, doesn't look too difficult. So to get the handle off, there's a little Allen wrench. Turn it so you can get to it. I'm just going to take it all the way out and set it aside so I don't lose it. Alright, easy enough. Okay, there's a Phillips screw holding this in. Set that aside so you don't lose it. These usually just pull out of there. Let's get this faceplate off too. Okay, what do we got inside there? Well, this should pull out. And I think there's a clip that holds it in there. So I'll just use the Allen wrench. Pull that clip up. You don't want to lose it. Get the clip out. Now that I think should pull out of there. It's not very old, so it shouldn't be too much crap on it. Let's see if I can just pull it out. Just gonna put the screw in there a little bit so I got something to hold on to. Wiggle and pull. Oh, there it's coming. There we go. So maybe you want to put a pliers on there. I'd rather not put a pliers on there if you could do it softly without damaging anything. Okay, and we'll go set up and replace all these O-rings and such. See what that looks like inside there. Okay, let's get set up. Okay, we got it out. Here's all our replacement parts. I'll put them over here. Well, that must be some sort of tool to pull that out of there. Oh yeah, I bet it is. Well, we won't need that. So we have to replace all these. Bad. Bad. I don't know where it's bad. I don't see any tears in those. So we have to get these O-rings off. Take a little pick. Go up. Suppose it would have been easier to go the other way on that one. Bad. Now to get the ones in the inside. So we get a push. There you go. It's coming out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get the right amount. These ones, we want to go that way. Take the top one off first. So then you can just run over these ones. Second one. Last one. And this one, that one might be a little harder. Oh, not too bad. Okay. Put them back on. There's that one. Top one first. Second one will slide right over the first one. There you go. Third one should slide over the top two you put in. Hopefully your fingers aren't as fat as mine. Okay. Got all the O-rings on there. You should be able to slide back in the cartridge. What I'm going to do is put a little Vaseline on there. You don't tear as you push them in there. Push it back in there. Kind of turn a little bit as I'm pushing. See if they catch on anything. Should push in there. I think that O-ring's catching right here. There you go. The last one. See the O-ring a little bit in there. It catches as you're pushing in there. Okay. Back in there and ready to put it back together. Last one ain't pushing in there very well. There we go. Nice. Then these, you can see the hole matches up with the hole on this side. Place it in there. Same thing on the other side. One's hot and one's cold. Last O-ring goes way up here. But I'm going to put it on from the bottom so I don't have to go over this and stretch it too far. So put it on there. Stretch it around here. If you can do it without a pick, that's better, so you don't damage it. So you just kind of roll it into place. Should be ready to put back in there. All right, let's go check it out. All right, we should be able to slide this right back in now. Just like that. And the clip. Taking it out is easier than putting it back in. I would say best way will be to use a needle nose. Let's see, you want to be in the middle. Tilt up. And just push it down. Put it into place. Very nice. This goes back on. Should slide in there. This goes on top of that again. Screw them in. So you can buy a whole new valve, or the cartridge itself, not the repair kit. They're like 50 bucks. This one ain't going in right. There we go. With the repair kit's 12 bucks. Next piece should be this one. And this one. We had it open, right? So that would be on this side of it. And we will close it. So that should be the right way right there. Now the last piece. Put it on, turn it upside down so you can get to the screw. that should be it. We'll go turn the water back on and see how we did. Yay, no drippy drippy. So that did it. $12. It's better than putting a new valve in there again. That could be a pain in the butt. So, oh, that just ripped off from the top. Back in business. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you.